The system you see here is a membrane filtration system. 24 such systems are installed in the Kauai purification plant. These 24 membrane filtration systems can purify up to 860 times the amount of water in your school swimming pool. Now let's look inside the system. This is a membrane made of ceramic. Ceramic is the material used to make teacups. The Kauai purification plant uses 2,400 ceramic membranes in total to purify water. The raw water fed to the plant enters the system from the bottom, then flows into multiple cylinders arranged vertically within the system. The purified water is collected in the pipe at the top and discharged from the system. To remove dirt that has accumulated in the multiple cylinders, clean water is fed in the reverse direction into the vertical cylinders. The dirt is removed by forced air collected in the pipe at the bottom of the system and discharged. The water purified by this membrane filtration system is then disinfected to turn it into drinking water. In this way, the plant purifies water from the river to produce tap water, supplying clean, safe water to houses, schools, and others in the community. Now let's observe how this ceramic membrane purifies water. The water taken from the river is not very clean. Since we cannot drink river water as it is, the plant purifies it using membrane filtration systems. The river water is made to flow through multiple narrow passages. The ceramic membranes have many small holes on their surface. These holes block large substances such as dirt, but allow small particles such as water to pass through. The water is thus filtered clean before it leaves the membranes. The ceramic membranes remove most of the dirt from the water. That is how water is purified at Kauai Purification Plant. The longer the membrane filters are used, the more dirt accumulates in them. This is why the filters have a washing mechanism. First, the membrane filtration system is filled with water. And then more water is injected to pressurize the system. The valve at the bottom of the system then opens, and the flowing water flushes out the dirt. Air is then forced in from the top of the filter, quickly expelling the dirt from within the ceramic membranes. The membranes are now clean again. Feeding water and air in the reverse direction cleans the filters. The Kauai Purification Plant washes each of these systems 8 times a day, so the plant runs using clean systems at all times.
ちはステンレス製の中に白いセラミック膜が入ってます。で、外からろ過する様子は見ることができません。で、見学の方に見ていただけるように透明の実験キットを用意しています。で、中に、入ってる膜は家庭用の浄水器用の膜は
Kerem şurada sayılı biçlik derecesinde ışıklar haraptırca.
動詞川の水もっと綺麗なんですけれど、実験なのでこういった色にしています。で、実際のマクロ化装置と同じように高い位置からお水を入れます。で、お水が下に下がっていく自然の力だけで装置に水を入れていきます。それでは水を入れていきます。今どんどん自然の力だけで水が入っていきます。白い部分見ていていただくと、ろ過されたお水がもう少しずつ染み出しています。汗をかくように水滴がついてきます。汚れは中に溜まってろ過された水が外側に押し出されます。セラミック膜の口径が 0.1 マイクロメートル。髪の毛の約800分の1ぐらい。ケースが満たされるときれいなお水が排出されます。このお水はもうあと消毒すれば飲める状態です。川井浄水場では高低差を使ってお水を入れていますが、高さがない他の浄水場ではポンプで押し込みます。膜の中に溜まった汚れの濃縮されたものがここに引き上げられます。で、この、沈殿した部分は脱石で絞って出す。で、上澄みのきれいな部分は元の段階に戻して改めてろ過します。で、こちらが、実際のマクロ化装置と同じ仕組みです。では次に中央監視室をご覧いただきますので、すみません、ちょっと中央
Sorry, I mistake. このような形で、水をきれいにしていくということです。入り込んでいく、ドリルダウンしていくような仕組みのソフトウェアができていきます。このタブレットによってどんどんと細かいところに入っていくという形になります。で、最終的にはここでそこで取れたデータをそこに全部貯めていくということになります。このデータは、テキストデータであり、計測データであり、音声であり、写真であり、ことによってはムービーをそこに格納するということになります。ここまでが、私が、この会社に入って最初にやっていく、一番興味がある研究でして、
No beer, beverage, and whiskey can be produced without clean water, high-quality groundwater. Where does this groundwater come from? It originates from forests. The forests bring high-quality groundwater. Nearly 70% of Japan's land area is still covered with forest. However, more than a few forests have been losing their function to recharge groundwater caused by various problems. No matter how abundant groundwater is now, if the forests continue to deteriorate, it might dry up in the near future. That is why Suntree is entirely devoted to the Natural Water Sanctuary project. Our target by 2020 is to double the volume of recharged groundwater in the forests, as much as the volume we use in our plants. We go into the forests with specialists from various fields, face nature, and listen to the voice of nature. We conduct thorough studies and investigations to have a solid understanding of the messages from nature. We consider what we can do for nature, what the ideal forest is. We collaborate with national and local governments, as well as local residents to achieve them. All our efforts are aimed at passing on to the future generation sustainable groundwater, forests, and rich biodiversity. This is so that birds and wildlife can live in harmony with precious nature. We will keep on protecting the Natural Water Sanctuary project for invaluable groundwater and biodiversity, looking ahead to 50 and 100 years in the future. This is our responsibility, bringing water to life.
Wire pushing up, stuff, and broken, and grab it, and put back, and clean the pipe like an unstoppage, something like that. And also we use a water jet. This is a clay pipe, and there's infiltration in the broken pipe. House connection line, yes. And in the top wall and paper or some other stuff hanging. Okay, like this. Okay, next picture.